All right, folks, hey, I need some help, and I'm really sincerely asking for help here. This weekend, I was at a retirement party of a buddy of mine. Haven't seen him in a few years, and there were probably 20 retirees that I used to work with, almost 5 years ago now, and got to talking with them, got to talking with some people that were on the edge of retirement, 1, 2, 5 years away, and they all cornered me. I started talking about what I've been doing in retirement and, how I'm a retirement coach, trying to help people through that journey, remove some of the fears, anxieties, and let people retire early, maybe earlier than they thought, let them retire at all. And what are they retiring to? Just helping through some of those concerns. And I'm telling you, I was just, amazed at the fear that's in people. So here's my ask. I started making videos 4 years ago. 4 years ago, okay? The first 2.5 years, folks, I made absolutely no money doing this. No money. So this is a passion project, okay? I'm not asking you to hit like and subscribe and to comment to have me make money. It's to reach more people. The YouTube algorithm, and I don't talk about this enough, it looks at how many people engage with you for like and subscribe, comments, forwarding, things like that. So that's today's message. I make the videos, okay? I'm taking my time. I enjoy doing it. While I'm cooking some wings on the grill here, they're starting to make some noise. I need to get over there. But I make the videos. What I need your help with, at least give a like. It doesn't take any time to do that. Leave a comment. Tell me where you're from. I'm from Sioux City, Iowa. Tell me you're from Sacramento, California, wherever. If you want to leave a comment, say how much you like new retirement, say how much you like the videos. It's not an ego thing. It's really to engage YouTube, get the subscription numbers up, hit subscribe too, get the subscription number up, get this to go out to more people so that we as a group can make an influence and help people. This is truly about helping people. I'm sorry if you think it's all about money, because any YouTuber will tell you it's a passion project for a couple years. And me, it was 2.5 years before I made a cent. So I'm not getting wealthy on this, but trying to spread a message of helping others. And that's what I'm doing in my retirement, trying to help as many people as I can. So join me in that quest. This is Joe out.